Lotus Caravans is celebrating 20 years in the business, and to help mark the occasion, it's reintroduced the Sprint model, aimed at buyers who want a lighter weight and more affordable Lotus off-road caravan. But is it as good as other tough nut caravans offered by the well-known Melbourne manufacturer? Let's find out. With prices starting at around $120,000, the new entry-level Sprints all boast a 3,500 kilogram maximum weight and are designed to attract off-grid caravan buyers on tighter budgets who don't want to upgrade their tow vehicle. As far as looks go, the good news is that all Sprints share a similar appearance to the other 20th anniversary Lotus models, including the sand taupe and black sides and dark grey front and rear, along with the latest stealth decals and 20th anniversary logo, and of course Lotus trademark checker plate sides. They're built to last too, with a hybrid aluminium timber frame and marine grade composite panels, all riding on a G&S Supergale chassis and with Alco and Duro X independent suspension, 12-inch brakes and 17-inch alloys and off-road tyres for tackling the dirt. Up front you also get the Cruisemaster DO35 coupling, the Alco off-road jockey wheel, twin 9kg gas bottles and a large toolbox with jerry holders. And while the checker plate runs quite high up the front to protect it from stone chips, you will have to pay a bit extra for the optional stone mesh guard that attaches to the drawbar. However, you don't miss out on too much when it comes to external features with the entry-level Sprint, with the standard package also including double glazed tinted windows and a full-width roll-out awning, an external speaker for the Fusion sound system, a picnic table and some LED lighting including anti-bug annex and entry step lights. So while the Sprint also misses out on a few extras you might find on pricier Lotus vans, like a grey water tank and external shower, you do get most of the important stuff, like a drawbar tap and a mains pressure inlet for when you're hooked up at the caravan park. For off-grid camping, you also get a 200 amp hour EnerDrive lithium battery system with 500 watts of rooftop solar, along with twin 95 litre freshwater tanks mounted ahead of the axles. For outside storage, there's also an LED lit tunnel boot as well as a vertical locker towards the rear, while there's also a reversing camera and a galvanised bumper bar up back with a spare tyre located underneath. So that's the 20th anniversary Lotus Sprint in a nutshell from the outside. Let's now head inside and see if it looks as good from within. The layout inside the 20-foot 3-inch Sprint will suit many adventurous Aussie couples, with its walk-around queen bed up front, a central kitchen and café dinette, and a full-width ensuite with separate shower and toilet up back. Despite its entry-level status, the new Sprint boasts a signature Lotus Caravans fit-out, which includes some eye-catching Italian leather upholstery for the seats, with the option to add a splashback behind the lounge for added effect. Given this is a semi-off-road caravan, it's good to know the Sprint still gets all the usual Lotus hardware like interlocking cabinetry, residential grade soft close drawers and secondary locks for both the doors and drawers, so they won't pop out when you're bouncing along on outback corrugations. Up front you get the usual side robes, drawers, pigeonholes and overhead cupboards, along with a nice padded bedhead and stylish reading lights to add to that boutique hotel feel. While lifting up the coil spring mattress reveals some storage room alongside items like the battery charger. Moving into the kitchen, you get a deep square sink with commercial style mixer tap and water filter, plus a 4-burner cooktop and grill, a range hood, microwave, and an 188 litre compressor fridge freezer. Once again, you do miss out on a few things you might find in a pricier Lotus van, like a bigger fridge and an oven, but you're hardly slumming it when it comes to cooking in the Sprint. And if you do need those items, I'm sure you could option them in at a reasonable cost. The cafe dinette in the Lotus Sprint also takes it up a notch with its stitched and well-cushioned leather seating, with a bit of stretching room around the trifold table for 2 or more people. While other standard internal features include a rooftop air conditioner, audio speakers and built-in connections for a TV, plus there's a washing machine down back in the ensuite. As you'd expect in a van this size, there are plenty of windows and roof hatches to open up for ventilation, as well as lots of interior storage to make the most of the almost 900 kilogram payload, including this extra large pantry located next to the fridge. You'll find the other battery electricals, including the Red Art Manager tucked away in one of the overhead cupboards, along with switches and gauges for monitoring battery and water usage. While the rear bathroom also comes equipped with a solid sliding door, a cassette toilet and a large shower cubicle with a 12-volt hatch. Okay, that's the Lotus Sprint's interior done and dusted. So let's now hitch it up to the Isuzu MU-X and see how it tows. One of the key selling points of the Sprint is its lighter tear and ATM compared with some other models in the Lotus range, and with an unloaded weight of just over 2,600 kilograms, the 20-foot 3-inch Sprint is a good match for popular tow vehicles like the Isuzu MU-X, which can tow up to 3.5 tonnes. While it's designed for dirt roads, the Sprint's independent suspension works well on patchy tarmac and it tracks obediently at speeds up to 100 kilometers an hour, although we want to tick the option box for an Alco anti-sway device for some peace of mind, especially in stronger crosswinds. So we'd have to say the new Sprint is a welcome addition to the Lotus range, and it's good to know you can now get most of the desirable Lotus Caravan features in a more affordable and lightweight package, especially one that looks as good as this 20th anniversary model.